SnipeGoat, baby. Welcome. So, another week now, another week to go. So, this gonna be the new thing, you know what I mean? With my video drops, I'm gonna drop a video at significant points in the market, you know what I mean? Like swing points. And then, I'm gonna tap in, you know, new week. And on the new week videos, I'm just gonna hit you with a top down just to keep everything together from throughout the week. And then every week give a top down to just keep you aligned on with what's going on in the full spectrum, the full picture. You know what I mean? So here we go, you know what I mean? And then that's how we're gonna do it. Another week down, another week to go. So here you go with a full top down analysis, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, price action for over some time, you know what I mean, has been tracked. You feel what I'm saying? So where we at with it, price headers with this expansion, retracement, and price price is encountering this continuation, right? Now in this continuation, price came into these equal highs, the swing high of this expansion here, and showed respect here. See, this month. Oh yeah. And happy Father's Day to all my fathers up there, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. But we got this expansion, this bullish candle here giving us a monthly higher high, coming into those equal highs and showing respect. Now, even with showing respect, we know resistance is here. But, we see now the new high is here. And guys, baby, 14 days and 20, so 15 days. 15 days in. Yeah, man. So, we see what kind of price action we are encountering with being, halfway through the month. But, coming into this resistance, we see what type of price action we are encountering here. And again, this is the monthly time frame. So in order to know what price is doing in this monthly price action, scale down to the weekly. But before that, knowing that this is resistance, right? We we have to read the candles at these levels to understand what price is doing. And understanding what price is doing, then you have an idea, a strong idea of what price is going to do next. So knowing that price came up into these equal highs and showed respect, we know this is resistance. So we know price has the capability of coming into this high here and showing respect again, right? And giving a sell-off, a reversal. You know what I mean? So we can, telling you, can see price come up, reverse, get this sale here into this snipe zone, right? And then Okay, into that snipe zone, right? And then bullish expansion. Trying to tell you. But all in all, scale down to the weekly to understand what type of price action, or to understand that monthly time frame price action. So now on the weekly, you know what I mean, broke above this well, price encountered this expansion, breaking above this retracement trend line, you know, break a structure, you feel me? Price reach sold off here, coming into these highs. Remember, sold off here, giving a retracement, retesting this, creating equal highs here, equal lows here, and of course, you can say retesting the break of structure, but we see what levels uh, price is coming to. Um, with that being said, the price is here, uh, and price did encounter a push up after encountering the retest of this level, coming up into these resistance level, right? Coming into these highs and everything, and showed some respect. Now we see what price is doing. We got these equal lows here, these equal highs here. We got this expansion, retrace. This candle here is bullish, and so traded inside of this candle. And then this weekly candle here last week is a bearish candle. I mean, we can, yeah, man, tap into it. You feel me? Right? Boom. Price came up, showed respect, sold off, sold on down, and we see what price is doing. So, we see what price is doing here on the weekly. And you already know what it is. To determine what price is doing here inside of this weekly price action, scale down to the daily. Alright. I'll fix it. Okay. So, now, here on the daily, you know where we are, what we doing here on this daily time frame, right? Swing to swing, as you can see, after encountering that break of structure, retrace, right? And then we'll be looking for price to give a continuation to the upside based on the price action we are encountering here on the daily time frame. You feel me? So, okay. Now, with that being said, we just analyze the price action. Swing to swing, retrace, this sell, or this impulsive move here. And now price over the weekend also has gave this sideways chop. So now we're looking at this price action as a retracement to where we can see more downside, right? Price is still inside of these two swing points all the price action that's inside of these two swing points is what? Part of the retracement. So, like I said, impulsive and then corrective. And inside of this corrective price action, price has produced this sale candle. And you can say this doji, but price traded up inside of this bearish candle that was produced over the weekend. And now I'm looking at price as being inside of this bearish candle here. This is the open of this bearish candle, and we're looking at this as resistance, right? Um, so we're going to see what price is doing here at this level, and then also we know the resistance that we have here at this retracement trend line. But just based on what I'm seeing with price and price action, I am anticipating price to, something like this maybe, come down and then, but we'll see, because again, you know, this is price can like come on, boom, or come up, hit this, and then drop. But just looking at price action and seeing what it's like, I can only go off of what the candles print. You know what I'm saying? And you just have to be aware of what price can do, you know, in the perspective and point of view of bulls and bears. You know what I mean? And then even with if you're bullish or bearish, you still, price can do this, then it also can do this, even with, what I'm saying, like price can sell here or price can come here and sell type, you know what I mean? But just knowing what type of price action I'm seeing price encounter, you know, I know what side of the fence I'm more so leaning on. But we see the price action that we are encountering here on the daily. Now, to determine what price is doing in this daily price action, scale down to the 12 hour. And as you can see with that daily swing point, swing to swing, and retrace, and then what? We're getting this corrective price action. This is the daily open of that bearish candle. And you see what type of price action we are encountering here on the 12 hour inside of that daily candle, that daily bearish candle. And hey, as you can see, you know what I mean? So we know what levels are resistance, and we know, I guess, what levels is support. And on this 12 hour, we still have this support level of this manipulation. You know what I mean? We got this daily structure here. And like I said, you can see this rollover. And that's all she wrote. You feel me? And then even with the price action, as you can see, shoulder, head, you see price come down to get that shoulder here for that continuation to the upside. But all in all, we see what it is. Mm-hmm. There you go, baby. You heard it here first. SnipeGoat. candle reading guru. Somebody go tell your favorite trader's favorite trader.